GIS stands for Geographic Information Systems. Geography is the study of where, and then there's the information component. It's the data, it's the knowledge, it's the ability to take that where and ask why. It's a system that allows us to experience and visualize and interpret spatial information.
I mean, it's the science of where, so if you have any sort of geospatial problem, you can do it. There's so much science opportunity at this school. Like, a lot of these research projects that are going on here are stuff that you generally wouldn't get to be involved in until you're much further in your academic career.
Everybody comes to GIS in a different way. Engineers, cartographers, data scientists, spatial analysts, property management, parcel management, oil and pipeline industries use GIS. Engineering firms use GIS for building design, hydrology studies, geology. That's why GIS is so cool. Like, it integrates everything, and that's why it's an important field. If you walk into an internship or a new job right out of graduating and you have GIS skills, your employer's going to be excited. That gives you a leg up. Students in our GIS applications class, their semester project is come up with a GIS project and solve a problem, ask a question, and explore it.
I study gray wolves on the Fond du Lac Reservation. These past 2 years I've been focusing on how the Enbridge Line 3 pipeline influenced wolf movement. I use GIS to map wolf movement. So wolves wear these satellite collars that send their location up to a satellite and then back down to a computer. And so every 6 hours or so, their locations are pinpointed. And I can download those locations into ArcGIS and create a map.
GIS allows us to go in and figure out, okay, what information is available, right? What's going on here? You start asking all these questions. Why is this happening? It's that problem-solving aspect. Like, you want to do something with the data, you want to explore an issue or a phenomenon in this way, and you have to figure that out. And when you figure it out, it's super exciting.